At Mantrac, we understand the importance of maximizing productivity and reducing owning and operating costs at every turn. Key to achieving this is having access to the right hose assemblies, pipe fittings and couplings right at your fingertips. That's where our mobile container solutions make a real difference. Designed to be placed directly on your job site, each container is fully equipped with a wide range of cost-effective solutions and replacement options for both CAT and non-CAT equipment. It's while you'll find them anywhere speed of service is required. In the deepest mines, toughest quarries, on busy farms and challenging construction sites, even in the most remote locations. And the benefits of having a replacement solution on site soon add up. Less hose failures means less downtime. Projects stay on schedule. Environmental damage is minimized. Plus, there's reduced risk of serious injury. Our trained technicians are always on hand to walk and talk you through our one-stop hose assembly solution. Everything from the latest tools and routing standards to installation and contamination control. So let's take a quick tour through the hose and coupling journey at our Goldfield site in Takwa. Our on-the-ground experts start by measuring the existing hose, precisely marking down the full and cut-off lengths. We can also manufacture hose assemblies from customer specifications as one-offs or regular assemblies. Next, a specialist cutter machine is used to achieve the required length. To eliminate any risk of contamination, unwanted dust is blown away. Special abrasive foam pellets are designed with different sizes to remove contamination from the inside of the hose. 2 pellets are used after the hose was cut and 1 once assembled, hence eliminating any risk of contamination. The hose is then skived to ensure optimal coupling installation before being checked by hand. Not all hoses are skived and limited to high pressure only. Mild or stainless couplings are then fitted at both ends, depending on the application. If you need multiple angles, our experts can happily provide angle orientation. Couplings fitted, it's time for crimping. Key details are entered into the crimper, which identifies the required die size. The die is installed before finally being crimped. Each assembly is checked using precise measuring tools to ensure crimps are within specified tolerances. Finally comes labeling. This ensures future replacements can be carried out with even greater speed, resulting in enhanced uptime. For customers looking to cut costs further, a CAT press machine is also available on site, enabling hoses to be dismantled and existing couplings reused. Not just limited to on-site containers, we also offer our hose services over the counter at our Takwa and Kumasi branches. However, our comprehensive hose management service doesn't end there though, far from it. To reduce the risk of hose failures, we routinely inspect and test equipment. To speed up replacement, we provide access to a number of critical spares kits. And to maximize hose life expectancy, we draw on the latest industry performance data and trends. The result is a true one-stop hose and coupling solution that constantly adapts and expands to the needs of our customers. A solution that delivers peace of mind today and forwards thinking for tomorrow. To find out more, visit mantracgroup.com.